Failure in business as an entrepreneur, failure is good. Failure is the best. Failure is your mentor, your coach. Failure gives you clarity on what you have to take a step back on and start learning, implementing, strategizing, testing, and trying, revising. Failure speaks to you. Failure is necessary. All business owners, entrepreneurs, online marketers fail throughout. It's not just at the beginning stages you might perceive entrepreneurs, business owners fail. No, it's throughout. It's what they do, the lessons. They are valuable lessons to be learned through ongoing failure. Every single person fails. You will always fail. Failure is great. Failure is necessary. Failure will allow you to go study, go read, to make sacrifices, to put in the work, the repetition. Repetition is the mother of skill. Skill is developed through failure. Why you are being persistent, you are persevering through the difficulty, the trials, the tribulations. Failure will always be present. You will have to endure failure to persevere so that you can start growing, developing, changing. Your character starts to build. You start to become this rock in your business where you can't be shaken, where nothing can, when the winter seasons, the stormy weather, the rainy seasons come, you are just standing tall, standing bold. You just a stand up guy, and you just exploring your creative side. So from today onwards, if you feel like crying and whining and you're getting depressed and miserable, I go through that as well. But that is right. That is necessary. You will have to break down in order to see your breakthrough through failure to bring you fulfillment and somehow finesse your career path into exceptionally greater heights.